We are not prepared for war because we are ignorant, selfish, irresponsible, and ungrateful citizens of this country. Welcome to 30 Things I'm Learning in My 30s, and this is lesson number 17. Hate me as much as you want, but I have finally learned that we Indians are not prepared for war or any other unforeseen circumstances because we do not appreciate and respect the efforts that our government is taking to keep us and our country safe. Let me explain you why I'm saying this. अब 7 मई का एग्जाम्पल ले लीजिए, जब हमारी भारत सरकार ने ये घोषणा करी थी कि देश के कई हिस्सों के अंदर वो मॉक ड्रिल और ब्लैकआउट कंडक्ट करेंगे, तो इस सिनारियो में हमने क्या किया? Forget about taking part in mock drills. We didn't even bother to understand कि mock drills में exactly होता क्या है. Our government was just trying to prepare us for a war-like situation in our cities. और हम लोगों ने उसके अंदर participate करना भी ज़रूरी नहीं समझा. शाम को blackout के समय हम लोग हमारे टीवी के सामने बैठे थे ये देखने के लिए कि देश के किन हिस्सों में blackout actually हो रहा है. And let's not forget that not just these mock drills, we do not even care about mock drills regarding earthquakes. उस टाइम पे हम लोग ऑफिस या घरों में बैठ के चिल कर रहे होते हैं और एक्चुअल अर्थक्वेक आने पर हम या तो वीडियो बनाने में बिजी रहते हैं या फिर इस चीज़ का वेट कर रहे होते हैं कि कब अर्थक्वेक जाएगा एंड व्हेन वी कैन गो ऑन विद आवर लाइव्स. We do not know how to give CPR to a person who actually requires it at that point of time. We do not have emergency kits at home. हम लोगों ने कोविड से भी कुछ नहीं सीखा है. We're just busy spreading misinformation and making war memes for social media. And I'm actually counting myself to be the part of this janta that I'm talking about. It was just last year जब मैंने actually CPR सीखा था. And let me tell you, it's not as easy जितना वो movies के अंदर लगता है. And yesterday was the first time when we as a family discussed the need of having an emergency kit at home. In my 20s, frankly, I didn't give a damn about all this. But now in my 30s, I'm frankly embarrassed of how lightly I have taken all these things throughout these years. We have actually failed as citizens of this country. And whenever we say ki, India is great, it's not us making India great. It's the people who are making the policies, it's the people who are executing it, it's the defense forces who are standing on borders and protecting us from the enemy. And the lesson I've learned is that it's high time to start taking things seriously. Being prepared. Just prepare an emergency kit. Take part in that mock drill. Understand what the government is trying to say and just follow the rules. Because tomorrow, we are going to blame government for everything that is going to happen to us. Just because we were ignorant, selfish, ungrateful and irresponsible.